We went out with the Jeep guys yesterday. I had a great time out there, and I wanted to make a little video and highlight what we did. But the reason I'm doing an intro here is because I gotta preface the footage. Footage, unfortunately, some combination of settings that I used for the GoPro made it super shaky. So I do apologize. I will still put the video together with the shaky footage, but this is not the quality that I am looking for. And I'm gonna make a video about the GoPro failing at this situation. So, with that said, enjoy the highlights.
Shaky, shaky.
The worst way out of here.
Ah, bullshit. The worst, okay, the worst best.
You follow you. The worst best way.
The worst best. yeah.
Well, we'll follow you because you're the lowest.
Go easy.
Oh.
You're doing everything you've done.
I know, but I said you're the lowest, so you're gonna go the slowest.
Let's see if I can make it over here. See, I'm not aired down, so I can't really see where we're going. That was a bit challenging.
We'll make it. He's trying. There he goes. Leroy, I can't see. There he is. Nice.
All right.
Uh-oh. Oh my God. Dang. I think it's winch time.
See, I wasn't concerned about going in. That's why I came out. I want to see my line out.
Yeah. I'm like, that doesn't look so bad. Now I'm like, that looks pretty bad.
Yeah.
You need to pull me backwards. Yeah, I got you. He's back good speed out of that, so yeah.
Ooh, ooh.
I heard that!
Something's going really wrong with that thing.
Come on, grab it, I can stall it!
You have a photo?
Yeah, I got one.
Now scout it! Hey, don't yell at me!
Yeah. I've got like a long one. If we have multiples, we should be fine. Yeah.
I got to back up right to here.
Yeah, you're gonna back up.
Austin.
I just need a little help.
Come on, give it some line!
Hey, Austin.
So first obstacle, we're getting a little stuck. Totally fine.
Back up a little more.
We got Joe giving him instructions.
Back up.
Yeah.
I just
Ernie, what's your name?
What's your name? Ezekiel.
F you, Ezekiel.
Ezekiel. Fuck you, Ezekiel. What's your name?
What?
Tony. Fucking Tony.
Oh, here he comes. Yeah.
Oh, you were halfway there.
I just need a little help. I don't need to be yanked.
Yeah, it should be a nice static pull here.
Yeah.
Well, I was gonna do that line.
I mean, you can still try it. We got enough line.
Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna talk to him for a second.
Easy peasy. Yeah, good.
That thing walked that.
Yeah. Well, that's a good line.
Yeah. Here comes a Paul line. One more time for rehearsal.
Right through center.
That's how it's fucking done.
There you go. Too easy. Do another one.
Don't underestimate old geriatric with a Jeep, eh?
Yeah, no doubt.
Do it again. Go.
Okay,
That was a challenge to get out.
behind me, because we're up here.
Yeah.
Hey, order in the Jeep, you guys want to back up, we'll follow Paul. Whoa, George, you're too stuck. You got a
Yeah.
hook in the back?
Yeah, I can throw the hook on.
Yeah,
Yeah, let me-
It's better, easier than me.
Oh shoot! You have 4 low?
I am in 4 low, but I'm not using walker.
Oh, gotcha. Jesus. So you can kind of see how it angles on each side, and they're opposite. So it's actually really difficult for vehicles to traverse this, because it ends up putting like a wheel in the air. You can see over here. It's really steep here on this side. And then your driver wheel goes off the ground on the other side. Yeah. Oh yeah, there you go.